what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching yet another video, another hair tutorial, another wig review. So as you guys can see, today we have a yellow unit, and yes you guys, this is like the perfect yellow. Like this is such the perfect yellow for my skin tone. I feel like it goes very well with my skin tone. If you have been wanting to try the yellow hair trend or the yellow hair phase, then I definitely think you guys should check this wig out. This wig was sent to me from ARISON Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this beautiful unit. Today I'm going to show you guys how I slayed this wig. It was actually fairly easy to do because most of the work was actually already done for me. So yeah, I also do want to give you guys a quick heads up. I am under the weather right now. I am very sick actually, and I have been sick for the past couple of days. I've been sick for the past like 4 to 5 days, and I'm talking about like extremely sick, like yeah, just like throwing up, just having like body chills, body aches. Like I'm talking about like everyone in the house is like burning up, and I have like literal chills. Like I had goosebumps on my skin, not being able to sleep, like having, you know, sinus congestion. My throat is like terrible right now. So yeah, you guys, I have definitely been going through it for the past couple days, so that's why you guys haven't seen me. I definitely didn't want to go 5 days without recording a video. So yeah, and I know that I had this beautiful yellow wig that I wanted to try out for you guys. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So yeah, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wig review and wig tutorial. Once again, I do apologize for my energy. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So you guys, we have a brand new wig and I'm really excited to try it out. So this is the bag that the wig comes in. It's this silk pink bag, and I am obsessed with it because you guys know pink is my favorite color. And I'm sorry if I sound super stuffy. I actually have been sounding really stuffy lately. I am recovering from a cold. I'm still sick right now, but you know, got work to do, sis. So anyway, the wig comes in this bag, and as you guys can see, we are going to be reviewing a yellow wig. Now, the company actually picked this wig out for me, so that's exciting. I guess they know me pretty well, and my best friend has been wanting me to try yellow hair for the longest, so I'm really excited about it. Real quick before we try that on, ooh, I got a brush in here. I'm so excited about this brush. I love stuff like this because I actually need a new brush. So I just got a brand new brush, and it has like the perfect bristles for it. Oh, I love this brush. Okay, so this is gonna be great for detangling, especially. You can use something like this on your natural hair to detangle it, but you always wanna make sure you start off at the bottoms, work your way up, okay? So what else do we have in here? We have a stocking cap. This is just like the mesh kind. I actually put these under here, so you know, those are very valuable. And they gave me a card, so let's see what it says. It says, "Every day is a great start." Okay. And it has a heart. They were just like, it's a hand, you guys can't really see it, but it's like a handwritten card that they actually wrote. So it says, "Dear blank," it says my real name. But it says, "Thank you for your support and appreciate your affirmation. I hope we can make progress together in the future. Warm regards, ARISON Hair." And I think this is so cute to have like a handwritten letter. I really like everything about this company so far. And they just reached out to me and they asked me, you know, can we send you a wig? And I'm like, sure, which wig do you have in mind? And they sent me a picture of this wig and I was like, sold, I want it, send it over right now. So, I haven't tried yellow yet, so I'm happy to be trying this today with you guys. And it's like an electric yellow too. I like it. I like it a lot. So this is it's a lace front wig, but the lace is probably like a 13 by 2 inch. So that's the only problem right now, is the fact that I don't have a lot of lace room. So I'm probably just gonna have like a flip over kind of part and just do something with the baby hair. This wig actually smells kind of good. I don't know if it's just like my allergies or something. But I feel like it smells like, I don't know, it smells good though. I don't know, I could be tripping, but the wig smells pretty good. Now I'm wondering if this is synthetic or if it's human hair, because the way that it's feeling, it might be synthetic. I don't know. So let me I'm gonna use the brush that they gave me, and I'm just gonna comb it out. It does have like a little bit of a wave to it or whatever, but I don't know if it's like synthetic or if it's human hair. I don't know. It does have a dark root, which is very helpful when you want to make it look a little bit more, you know, blended in with, you know, your skin tone and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna take a guess and say that maybe if it's not synthetic hair, maybe it feels that way because of the bleaching process that they had to do to get this yellow color. So I'm thinking that's what it is. So the inside construction of the wig, this is what it looks like. I showed you that it doesn't have a lot of lace room. This is the bottom part here. It has adjustable straps, of course. Those are always valuable. And you guys, no combs. There's no combs in here. So that's perfect. So no combs in this wig. So let's go ahead and just put it on. And I'm just gonna test it out and see what it's looking like. And I haven't adjusted the straps or nothing. I'm just putting it on. See what it look like. Bring it up front. Yeah, it definitely has like a perfume smell or something in here. I like the color, but I feel like I need to really style this wig before I can be in love with it. But I do like the color and I like the concept. Now you guys know I have to play around with wigs before I can get like a real vibe for them. So we're gonna take it off. And I'm going to cut the lace off. I am gonna do like some baby hairs for sure on this wig. And then I'm just gonna flat iron it out. I am gonna use my titanium plate flat iron from Babyliss. This is the Babyliss Pro flat iron. And I just thought like my shirt would go good with today's look. This top, I did feature this in my Rose Gal haul. So if you haven't watched my Rose Gal haul, I'll link it over there for you guys and you can check it out. I want to use my hot comb, but because I'm not sure on the texture of this hair, if it's human hair or not, I'm not going to use my hot comb because I don't want to damage. I don't want to damage the hair, so that's why I'm not going to use my hot comb today, because I'm not really sure on whether or not this is synthetic or human hair yet. Like I said, they emailed me a picture of the wig and they just sent it over to me, so I'm not really sure on all of the details of the wig, but I will definitely put it all in the description box below for y'all. Okay guys, so what I've done is I put some foundation in the inside of it, just around the perimeters where I know it's going to show. Then I put a little bit of foundation on my wig cap. I also went ahead and adjusted the straps and of course cut the lace off. My flat iron has been preheating this entire time while I was doing that, so now we're going to slide the wig on and get it nice and centered. Figure out where it's going to be.
Stashi, 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 Stashi.
I'm sorry you guys, I'm not able to talk like I normally do. I'm so sorry, but I just wanted to say like how natural this hairline is. Like, it's so natural. And I also like how easy this hair is able to flat iron with just one pass, and it got like silky bone straight. So I'm gonna continue doing my hair. It already has like baby hairs here that they made. And then the lace is very natural. Like, there's no plucking or anything that's necessary with this wig, so that's always a plus, especially for people who don't know how to pluck. So always a plus in my book. I love it when you don't have to pluck a wig. I do need to adhere this wig properly, so I am going to use my Got To Be Glued spray, and I'm going to use my blow dryer. So you guys, this is the final look of the wig. I did show you guys a clip of it already, but I just wanted to show you guys again. I really do like this wig. The pros to this wig is that it flat irons out like a dream. Like, I don't really even need to have a brush because of how well this wig flat irons out, all the way down to the bottom. When I first was taking the wig out and combing it out, there was some initial shedding in this hair, but it wasn't anything major to make me feel like this is a no-go. The other thing that I would say about this wig is that it's not a lot of lace room, so you don't get like a really deep parting situation or anything like that. But I was still able to manage and work with the parting space that they gave me, so you can still do a few things with this wig. The hairline is pre-plucked, which I am absolutely loving. The coloring job that they did is great as well. I love the fact that it has more yellow than the black, because sometimes what companies will do is they'll have a colored wig, but they'll have a whole bunch of black and then the yellow or whatever color that it is. But I love the coloring job that they did on this wig. It's also super long. The ends are nice. They're not like too fried or anything like that. But all in all, I really do like this hair. This is a perfect going out wig if you just want to go out and just make a statement real quick. It already had sideburns in it. Like, everything was just perfect. The hairline is very natural looking. Like, I did not pluck anything, and it looks extremely natural, like all up in here. So yeah, this wig looks extremely natural. It has adjustable straps. It didn't have any combs, which I'm in love with, because maybe they listen. I feel like ARISON listens to me and they actually watch my videos because they know what I like and what I don't like. Like, they made everything so perfect for me. You guys know how much I love rocking my colorful wigs. So the fact that they sent me this and they picked this out for me, like, I didn't even pick this wig out. Like, they picked it out, sent it to me. So they definitely are familiar with my taste, which is very important. Everybody knows that I love colorful hair. They know that I love long hair, and this is a very long unit. Hello. The hairline is pre-plucked. It has adjustable straps. There's no combs in this wig at all, so I didn't have to cut any combs out, which made the whole process just that much easier for me. So I'm absolutely loving this wig, and I love the fact that I feel like they're paying attention to me, and I think that's important when you are a brand and you do want to, you know, market your business. You want to make sure that you know your customer. So the fact that they know me this well, yeah. And a lot of you guys really love colorful units when I color wigs and things like that, but now you guys can definitely just buy this wig and then you're good to go. You don't have to worry about anything really. It's just a really like a figure out how you want to style it, put it on, and let's go. Like, that's it. The only con that I had with this wig was just like the flyaways. I wasn't like a really big fan. I wasn't a real big fan of the flyaways on this wig unit. And as far as like getting rid of the flyaways, you just have to use some hairspray. As you guys know, I use Got To Be Glued hairspray. I just sprayed it on and then just like sprayed a generous amount though on, and then I just kind of brush it over like with my hands to like get rid of some of the flyaways, so it's not as like, you know, crazy. You guys will, of course, I mean, you guys of course seen clips of what that was looking like versus what it does look like now. So yeah, it's very manageable. I'm able to run my fingers through it. There's not really that much tangling in this wig. So yeah, if you just need a quick and easy, ready to go, colorful wig, I definitely think you should try them out. I will leave a link to everything and all the information down below in the description box. So yeah, thank you to ARISON for sending me over this hair. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.